Welcome, leveraging the power of AI and ChatGPT in leadership and management. Emerging billionaire brands for online wealth generation. Attention all entrepreneurs, aspiring billionaires, and fans of the tech scene. Are you ready to take your research to the next level? Here's the secret sauce. Leverage the power of ChatGPT and AI tools to boost your brands. As we navigate a rapidly evolving digital landscape, artificial intelligence continues to revolutionize numerous sectors, including leadership and management. This revolutionizing AI-driven leadership and management with ChatGPT and AI Tools course presents a groundbreaking opportunity for researchers to accelerate their work using ChatGPT, an AI tool that's changing the face of research as we know it. Step into the future and unlock the potential of AI in your research journey. Don't miss out on this chance to lead, manage, and research with an AI edge. As NBA legend and Hall of Famer Chris Bosh stated at a junior NBA event, lead by example. Leaders set the tone for their peers. Peers look up to them and say, they're doing it, so I'm doing it. Billionaires in the baking. Remember, anything is possible and I will improve every day. I can, I will, I must. Let's go! Let's go! For a complete copy of the Leveraging the Power of AI and ChatGPT in Leadership and Management video course, please visit www.scochangemarketing.com for more information.